Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a really quick, easy review for you guys today. Sorry about that. And it's coming from my kitchen, but I don't talk about this kind of stuff very often because I don't always like what I find, or I try it and it's good for a while and then I get sick of it. But this is a really good one, and if you're looking for something to really keep your body healthy and you maybe feel like you're missing out on some of your nutrients that you're not getting from your vitamins or from what you're eating every day, I think this is a really great product. And they sent it to me just to try out for a while, and I'm really excited to tell you guys that so far I love it. So I'm sure you're wondering what it is by now. It is the... Anyways, sorry, Austin is playing Fortnite upstairs. It is Ajna Wellness. It's their gorgeous greens. It's a cell nourishing natural superfood elixir. And what I love about it is that, yes, it is a green supplement. Sometimes when they're green supplements, they straight up taste like celery or spinach or just like kind of chalky. And I love this one. It is a wild fruit punch flavor. It's considered a dietary supplement. It's got 5,000 milligrams of organic green blends. So it's got a lot of the greens that you might be missing in your daily nutrients. I've been taking it in the morning before I go work out, or it's great to just like have in the morning after I have my vitamins, take a shower, get ready for the day, and before I have breakfast. Literally just mix it in some water and drink. I think you only need, it's just 1 scoop. There's 30 servings in this, and it's going a lot further than I thought it would. Just, yeah, 1 scoop with 8 ounces of water, or add to your favorite smoothie mix. It is really good with like a mango smoothie or like a fruity banana smoothie, because if you're really not into like the green flavor at all, it could kind of mask that. But I really like this flavor since it's like a wild punch. I also really like to, if I'm not going to just like chug it in my water before I go work out, it's great to just like throw it in with my water that I take with me to the gym, and then I'm for sure drinking it, and I'm not just gonna like let it go to waste. But I can really tell like a difference in my day with like my energy. It feels good. If that makes sense. It makes me feel good that I'm drinking it. And then if I'm gonna eat crap or something the rest of the day, I'm okay with that a little bit more, because I know that I've had this and I'm like getting some more nutrients in me. Oh, and I forgot. So it does claim you get your daily dose of super energizing, detoxifying, and immunity boosting greens in 1 glass. With COVID, I'm sure everybody's looking for what can I do to boost my immunity still. So this is great for that. And then I also like that it's detoxifying. So if you're wanting to detoxify at the end of the day, you could do this at the end of the day before you go to bed. But I feel like you probably get the most use out of it since it's for energy in the morning. And just to like keep your body sustained throughout the day with all those good nutrients we need. So I would definitely recommend it. I will link it for you guys down below because I know you need the link. But they have a lot of other good wellness stuff that I've been wanting to try. So maybe I will find some more products that I want from them, and then keep you guys posted if there's anything else I really love. I was gonna make it for you guys. I have a scoop in here pulled so you can like actually see that it looks tasty. But yeah, just 1 scoop in your water. And I'm just gonna start with this because whatever. It takes a minute to stir in, but like it actually smells good. It actually smells good. It doesn't smell just like green grass that you're going to be pouring down your throat. And I love that it's not full of sugar. A lot of greens that are claimed by other brands, and I'm not gonna call any out, like MLM brands and things like that, are really sweet and they're like, oh, it's so good. Yeah, it's good because it's got sugar in it. This one has less than 1 gram of sugar. It's only 20 calories and it's got 11% of your daily fiber that you need. So it's just like an overall really good vegan, healthy, green juice. So like looks really, 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 really green. Yeah. I also like that it's not grainy. Other stuff like that, it's like kind of grainy, it doesn't actually ever stir in. It's just so good. So, quick review. Sorry about the lighting. That's what I get for being in the kitchen. And yeah, cheers. Maybe I can get a discount code for you guys.